Hello, my name is Christy Yanting with the matric number 83521 and with my group member Darlene binti Liao Techu with matric number 83595. Today, we were presenting our research, which is the impact of packaging element on consumer purchase intention in the beverage industry among young adults in Kotak Samarahan, Sarawak. And I will handle about the title and background of the study, purpose statement, research objective and question, underpinning theory, conceptual framework, and the last hypothesis development. For my group member, which is Dalen, she will presenting about the research design, population, and sampling procedure, research instrument, information, data collection method, and the last is the data analysis method. Okay, let's start with an introduction to our research. The aim of the study is to explore how different packaging elements affect consumer purchase intention. Uh, Specifically focusing on young adults in Kotak Samarahan, packaging has evolved from just a means of protecting product to a critical marketing tools that influence consumer behavior. Our research aims to provide actionable insight for various companies targeting young adults in this region. The concept of packaging dates back thousands of years, but its role in marketing has significantly increased since the 19th century. Modern packaging is now a key factor in attracting consumer attention and promoting im- impulse purchases, especially in self-service retail environment. Our study focuses on Kotak Samarahan, a rapidly growing urban area in Sarawak, Malaysia. Understanding the preference and behavior of young adults here can help various companies tailor their marketing strategy more effectively. In today's dynamic and competitive business environment, the acceptance and preference of consumer products are critical to the survival of company. Consumers' buying habit has grown more logical and speculative, and they are prepared to spend their money on things that they feel create values and maximize utility. As a result, companies must know and understand how consumers perceive their goods. One major factor influencing customer purchasing intention is packaging. While developing new packages, companies need to consider how this package will affect consumer purchase intention. Indicate that consumers play an essential role in the creation and execution of design packages. However, several factors might interfere with the consumer's interest and purchase intention. Packaging design is rapidly evolving in a competitive industry, making it more challenging to meet the varying trends and preferences of consumers. Consumers are becoming more skeptical of label information, especially regarding nutritional contents and visual features, which might shorten their decision-making process. Therefore, organizations should strive to understand the consumer's contents in critical aspects of package design. There is also an issue with the color of beverage product packaging. The background color of beverage package has the power to influence how customers perceive a product. Incorrect color choice can lead to product decision and discourage purchases. Research by Huang and Lu shows that the use of color like red, amber, and green can capture customers' attention and improve their understanding of the product. Consequently, the color of a product packaging has been found to influence consumer emotional responses. Another concern is the accuracy of labeling information. The quality of the product packaging material is also critical. Using appropriate packaging material can extend the product life cycle and ensure its quality and authenticity during distribution and storage. The use of plastic, particularly in water packaging, is important due to the material's low cost and adaptability. However, plastic disposal poses a significant environmental concerns. Packaging size is another critical factor for consumers. Although innovative and attractive packaging is rapidly being developed, many beverage companies still struggle to find the right container size for their target market. The size of the packaging can affect the consumer buying option, perceived value, convenience, and product attractiveness. For example, larger packaging may represent better value for money, while a smaller, more portable size may appeal to consumers seeking convenience. However, there is insufficient empirical data on how different container sizes directly impact young people's beverage purchasing intention. Thus, it is crucial for organizations to understand the role of packaging in influencing consumer purchase intention. Inventive package design and material choice are vital for branding and product promotion. While throughout packaging not only convey the product's quality and the company's image to potential customers but also align with the target market's preference, increasing consumer interest and contributing to commercial success. Our research objectives are threefold. First, to determine consumer intention towards various packaging elements among young adults in Sarawak. Secondly, to identify the informational elements, such as printed information that influence purchase intention. Thirdly is to assess the relative importance of different packaging elements in shaping customer purchase intention. Then we aim to answer the following research questions. First one, what are the main elements of beverage packaging that influence the purchase intention of young adults in Sarawak? Secondly, how do different packaging elements like color, material, size, graphic, and printer information individually influence purchase intention? And then how do young adults perceive the sustainability of beverage packaging? The last one is how does they influence their purchase decision? In chapter 2, we review the literature on packaging and consumer behavior. We explore broad concepts such as purchase intention and various packaging elements, including color, materials, size, graphic, and printed information. One of the key theories underpinning our research is the theory of planned behavior, which is the TPB. TPB suggests that behavior is influenced by attitudes toward the behavior, subjective norms, and perceived behavioral control. This theory helps us understand how young adults' intention to purchase beverages are shaped by their attitude towards different packaging elements. The, the influence of social norms and their perceived control over their purchasing decision. Our conceptual framework is based on TPP and focuses on how packaging elements influence purchase intention. We hypothesize that each element, which is color, material, size, graphic, and printer information, has a significant impact on consumer behavior. We have developed several hypotheses based on our conceptual framework. For the hypothesis one, we packaging color significantly influence purchase intention. For the hypothesis two, packaging material significantly influences purchase intention. For the hypothesis three, packaging size significantly influences purchase intention. Then hypothesis four is packaging graphic significantly influence purchase intention. For the last one is the hypothesis five, which is the printer information significantly influence purchase intention. Let me conclude about the chapter one and the chapter two. In conclusion, our research aims to fill the gap in understanding how packaging elements influence the purchase intention of young adults in Kota Samarahan. By focusing on this demographic, we hope to provide valuable insight for beverage companies to enhance their packaging strategy.
Next, I would like to talk about the research design. We have chosen quantitative research approach to study the impact of packaging element on consumer purchase intentions. By using numerical data, we can perform robust statistical analysis. Our research employs as descriptive correlation strategy to explore how packaging elements like color, materials, size, graphics, and information relate to purchase intentions. This helps us understand how changes in one factor might affect another. Additionally, we use causal research to pinpoint direct relationship between these elements and consumer behavior, aiming to see how specific packaging attributes influence beverage purchase. Next, our study targets young adults aged 18 to 30 in Kota Samarhan, Sarawak, focusing on their preference for non-alcoholic beverage packaging design elements. This demographic was chosen for its significant impact on consumer behavior in beverage industry. To select our sample, we utilize a non-probability convenience sampling approach. This method allowed us to efficiently gather a substantial number of completed questionnaires from readily available participants within our specific time frame. Based on a population estimate of approximately 134,660 young adults in Kota Samarhan, Sarawak, and using a margin of error of 5%, our calculated sample size is approximately 399 respondents. The unit of analysis for our study is individual young adults in Kota Samarhan. By focusing on this demographic, we aim to uncover the factors influence their purchase intention for non-alcoholic beverage, particularly the impact of various packaging components on consumer choice. For instrument development, our study developed a questionnaire to assess the impact of packaging component on consumer purchase intention among young adults in Kota Samarhan, Sarawak. This questionnaire was our primary data collection method, gathering quantitative insight into respondent perception and purchase intention regarding beverage packaging. The questionnaire was structured into two sections. Section A captured demographic information, including gender, age, race, and so on. Section B focuses on preference related to packaging elements such as color, size, graphic, shape, materials, and information, crucial for understanding purchase intention. A pilot test involving young adults aged 18 to 30 from Kota Samarkand was conducted to ensure clarify reliability and effectiveness. Feedback from this pilot test helped refine the questionnaire by addressing ambiguities and adjusting question phrasing for clarify and relevance. We used various measure scales, nominal for categorical variable, ordinal for Rankine factor like age group and purchasing frequency, and a Likert scale 1 to 5 to gauge agreement on packaging attributes. This structure facilitated precise qualification and statistical analysis of respondent perception. Data collection is a crucial part of our study. We are gathering information to understand how packaging elements affect young adult purchase intention in Kota Samarkand, Sarawak. We will collect primarily data through an online questionnaire for young adults aged 18 to 30. The questionnaire has closed-ended questions about demographic, packaging design, size preference, and the importance of packaging information. It used different scales like nominal, ordinal, and Likert scale for clear and precise analysis. Before the main survey, we will do a pilot test to ensure the questions are clear and reliable. This process will help us to get a good sample size for detailed analysis. We will also use secondary data from academic journals, industry reports, and online database. This secondary data will provide background information and trends in beverage packaging and consumer behavior. It helps us validate our primary finding and enrich our study. By combining primary data from questionnaire with secondary data from literature and industry resource, our study aims to provide a true analysis of how packaging elements impact young adults' purchase intention in Kota Samarkand. For data analysis, this study employed several analytical techniques to determine the impact of packaging fixture on young adult purchase intention in Kota Samarkand, Sarawak. Descriptive analysis summarizes and organizes data to understand basic characteristics. It includes calculating measures like mean, median, mode, standard deviation, and frequency distribution for demographic variable and main study variable. This analysis aids in understanding respondent characteristic and respondent tendency. Reliability analysis assesses the consistency of stability of the measuring instrument. Cronbach alpha will be used to evaluate internal consistency across questionnaire sections. A Cronbach alpha value of 0.7 or highest indicates reliable measurement of underlying concept. Multiple regression analysis examines the relationship between independent variable and the dependent variable. This analysis allows assessing how multiple factors collectively influence purchase intention, identifying significant predictor with p-value less than 0.05. That's all from us. Thank you.